Good evening, I'm here on MeiWei Lu, also known as a delicious street in Wuhan, China. I'm very hungry. It seems like everyone's hungry in the city, everyone's eating. So I'm going to show you the best street food in Wuhan, maybe the best street food in all of China, okay? I show you everything, the craziest food, the best food, the worst food, I show you everything. So let's get to eating. Endless, literally endless street food. But I don't know what anything is, okay? So I'm gonna go off the basis of going to the stall with the most people. Because if many people want the food, it means it's good. This stall has many people, and so does this one. So I think the first food I'm gonna get is gonna be right here. There's a lot of like meat sticks here, you see? And this one is baozi, which is, what's the English for that? You see, I'm forgetting English in China. Dumplings, yeah, dumplings. Sorry, my Chinese is getting better than my English, so yeah. Baozi is dumplings in, you know, the Western language of English. I think the first food I'm gonna get is some baozi. This is the only food that I recognize, so that's why I'm getting this. Beautiful. MeiWei. Oh, so you get 8 baozi, 8 dumplings, and it costs 18 yuan. Every baozi is different flavor. These 8 baozis got demolished way too quickly. Okay, next I'm gonna try these meat sticks. I don't know what they are, to be honest, but I see there's meat and there's sticks. Look at the amount of sticks he's making. Look at that. And look, one stick is 2.5 yuan. 10 sticks is 10 yuan, which is like €1.20. Here are the meat sticks. Let's try it, let's try it. But the meat sticks are very spicy, so I need a drink to go with it. Maybe something here. Here is a fruit juice stand with a guy who has very, very cool hair. Is that coconut? Yeah. Oh, coconut. Cool. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's not that spicy. It's alright. I'm Chinese, it's not spicy for me. It's alright. Look at this, they're doing squid balls here. And on the other side, they're doing squid sticks. Look, squid sticks. So more sticks. Chinese people love meat sticks. I've never seen oyster for street food before. Look at this, it looks like chestnuts or eggs. I don't know why they're yellow inside, so I don't know. But they're selling the 1 meter meat sticks here. This is the final boss of the meat sticks. Look how big it is. And those meter-long meat sticks are sheep meat. So no, I don't want that one. I'll try one more street food today. It's this, I don't know what it is. I literally have no idea, but it looks very cool. Okay, order something, I have no idea what. That's usually how it goes in China. But it's cheap and it looks delicious. Look at what he's making. He's putting like some bread with some whiting on it, with some cream on it. And he's putting it in some like charcoal looking thing. Look at that, I've never seen that before. It's like a charcoal sandwich. Very good, as always in China. Look at that, it's beautiful. I have no idea what I'm eating. We'll try this as the last food of the day. Some crazy Chinese fruit. This was very expensive, by the way. Like €4 for 2 small pieces. Oh! I'm gonna be honest here, it smells funky, man. Ooh. This one's so-so. This fruit's a no for me, man. No. It's really bad. Okay, I've been in Wuhan for 3 weeks and I haven't been in the main walking road yet. You know, the city center. And here it is, and look at the first thing I'm seeing. What is going on? There's a woman dancing 24/7. Sorry, it's not a restaurant, it's a gold shop. You buy gold here. I don't know why they need a dancer for that, but... Okay, on this road too, they're selling those meter-long sticks. That's cheap food. And here they have some more street food, look. Is that chicken wings? Beside ice cream. The options are endless. And here's some indoor street food. It's like an indoor market filled with food. Look at all these sweets, okay? I think they are sweets because kids love it. Kids keep looking at it. Purple, white, yellow. That looks like rice. I have no idea what I'm looking at. And here they're selling many gift sets, you know, food gift sets. Look at this. Fish. This is what it looks like inside. This is duck, you know, you buy your friends and family a duck food souvenir from Wuhan. Look at this box of noodles from Wuhan. And I think the craziest one, this right here is the craziest one. This is duck neck. You heard me right. Duck neck snack gift from Wuhan. Wuhan magnets. This looks like dumplings split in half, but I have no idea, to be honest. I have no idea, but it looks delicious. It looks like there's flowers on it, look. And here they're selling whole ducks, an entire duck as a snack. You buy it and then you snack on it like it's popcorn. They're so black. I don't know why they're so black. Well, the duck is missing its head, but a lot of Chinese people love eating duck head as well. And in this shop, if you buy food, if you buy snacks, you can send it to another city, look. They package it for you and they send it to your loved ones. And it's free of charge. He's doing that all for free. Another gold shop, like 1 minute walk from the last one. I don't know why Chinese people need so much gold. Okay, this shop is not food related, but it looks cool. This shop is filled with cheap goods. Look, this is like 45-cent magnets, but they're beautiful, look. Wuhan puzzle for like 60 cents. Wuhan bags for €1. Look at this. Very good. This shop is crazy. Oh my goodness, here's my name. Ma for Máté. Ma. That means horse. My name means horse. You know, Wuhan has churches. I need to go there one day. I love these tea mugs. Look at this. Okay, I got this beautiful notebook. Look, I can practice my Hanzi in this. Very beautiful. With all the attractions in Wuhan. You can get a stamp and stamp the notebook with anything that you like. Okay, here we have the yellow crane tower. I was there a few days ago. Well, a few weeks ago now. I put this stamp in it. Beautiful, look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And here is Donghu, the lake that I was at, where I cycled. Wow. So beautiful, isn't it? So nice. Back to the street food. In the shopping mall, we have some more duck snacks. Chinese people love ducks for snacks. I don't know why. Look, every part of the duck.
They're selling those sugar fruit sticks here. In Asia, they love these sugar fruit sticks. Here's some waffles. These I recognize. You know, I've had these before in Ireland. They have a panda one. Some drinks, look. Is that grape cake? Look at this shop. Made in Russia.
The food in this store is a little more familiar for me. Coming from Eastern Europe originally, this is more familiar. Look at this. But these are definitely all Chinese knockoffs. I don't think these are real Russian snacks. And none of the workers are Russian. Everyone's Chinese here, so I think these are knockoffs. Moscow.
Here, what's going on with these gold shops, man? This is another gold shop and there's a live dragon in it. Why is there a dragon? I thought it was a restaurant at first. Look at that.
Chinese people take their gold shopping very, very serious, it seems like.
They're selling like pineapple drink and a pineapple snack. Look at that, beautiful.
Oh, so good as well. It's very good. What the hell? Food in China is always better than I expect.
Some more bingtang uru. This is that sweet fruit sticks. They have this every 2 steps in Asia. This looks like food and it feels like food. It even smells like food, I'm telling you, I'm being serious. It even smells like food, but this is a stress ball. This is a stress ball, you know. Chinese people are very stressed. They work a lot, they're very stressed. So they need this to relieve their stress. Look, it's crazy. It looks like real, like it looks so realistic. I'm telling you, it even smells like food. Like, I don't know how they did that. Look, this is street food too, isn't it? Look, that looks so realistic. And look, there's even more here. Look at this, stress balls. Here I'm in the very center of Wuhan. First time being here after living here for 3 weeks. And look at this, so beautiful. European style buildings. And there's some war memorial or some heroes.
British people made this masterpiece. Wuhan has many buildings that European people built. It's like I'm in London.
And right beside this war memorial, some more street food. Look at this lady's selling sausages, tofu. Here we have some fruit sticks, some more fruits. Look, they have star fruit. I've never seen that before. Maybe coconut. Look at this. Here's some Chinese pancakes or bread. I actually can't tell. Actually, I tried this bread because I am European, so I need to try it. 谢谢. Okay.
This bread was 5 yuan, which is like 60 cents. Very good price. Hello.
And on this road we have some more old European buildings. These are like 150 years old. So as I said, Wuhan has a lot of European influence, which I didn't know before coming here. Look at the amount of bikes.
Taste European for once.
On the street, there's very powerful telescopes and you can pay to look inside it. Look at that. They're trying to get that planet up there. You see that one planet?
The public services in China are crazy. Like a street telescope. Forget street food. This video is about street food. Street telescope. Okay, I think I'll end it here at the beautiful river of Wuhan. Look at the skyline. Look. All the buildings are lit up. They all have animations on them. There's a beautiful ship right there. Look. It's going away. There's like fireworks on those buildings going off. Yeah, fireworks. I saw lots of horses. Beautiful city, beautiful day. The street food was amazing. Really, every day in China is a blessing. It's paradise here. thank you for watching, and I keep going with my Chinese adventures. I want to say something in Chinese. Let's see. 新年快乐.
Look at that, all the buildings are red. Look at that. There's horses going on it. Oh, it's just, I don't know. Here as well. Oh my goodness, such a beautiful city. Chinese people really know how to make things cool, like.